Welcome to Dadbod Kitchen. Today we're starting a brand new series called Blend and Pour. In it, we're going to blend and pour a new recipe to you. Today I have my helper, Abigail.
Amazing. Hi everyone.
Now it's time to add all our ingredients. First step is to add ice. Then goes 2 cups of frozen mango. Cup of vanilla yogurt. By the way, if you don't have ice, don't worry about it. Your delicious smoothie will still be amazing without it. Now we're going to add 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Feel free to substitute maple syrup for honey, sugar, or any other sweetener. Finally, we will add 2 cups of pineapple juice. All we've got left is to blend it.
Subscribe to our channel for more great recipes.
Leave us a comment and tell us what your favorite smoothie ingredient is. All right, now let's pour it and see what it tastes like. And here it is, the liquid gold pouring into a glass. Look at that smooth tropical goodness. Will the taste be worth the effort? Let's find out. What do you think?
I give it a 4.5. Want some?
4.5 indeed. See you on the next
Episode.
Bye.
Bye-bye.